Hello everyone. Today I am here to share some important information regarding the reduced syllabus for 2021 SSLC board exams. As you all know that 30% of your syllabus is cut down. So here is the information which will help you to solve the confusions you have on the concepts and the chapters which are deleted for the exams. So I will be giving you the syllabus and the concepts deleted from each lesson. So here is the list of lessons and the skipped learning concepts content or the chapters which are retained completely. The unit first, that is chemical reactions and equations. This chapter is completely skipped and full chapter is excluded for examination. So chemical reactions and equation, this unit is not there for your exam. Second one, acids, bases and salts. The concept 2.4, that is more about salts, from page number 28 to 33 and its related part is excluded for examination. Only the concept 2.4, that is more about salts, from page number 28 to 33 is excluded for examination. So you have to skip reading that part. You will not get questions from that part now. So the third lesson is metals and non-metals. This lesson is completely retained. Means this chapter is there for your exam and no concepts are deleted from this lesson. So you have to read the whole chapter. Fourth one, carbon and its compounds. 4.4, some important carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid, from page number 15 to 18 is excluded for examination. In carbon and compounds, the 4.4 concept, that is the properties of some carbon compounds, are given like ethanol and ethanoic acid. This part is skipped. So page number 15 to 18 is excluded for examination. The fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements. This chapter is completely retained. Okay, nothing is deleted from this lesson. So the periodic classification of elements is completely retained. You have to go through the complete lesson. Next comes the life processes. Here the concept 6.1, what are life processes, 6.2 nutrition and 6.3 respiration. These concepts are excluded for examination. That is, from page number 59 to 70 is excluded for examination. So you have to skip this 59 to 70 and you will not get questions from this part. Next comes control and coordination. This chapter is completely retained. Means nothing is deleted from this lesson. You have to read the whole lesson. Eighth one, how do organisms reproduce? Here the concept 8.1, do organisms create exact copies of themselves? 8.2, modes of reproduction used by single organism, and from the page number 37 to 42 and related part is excluded for examination. So here 8.1 and 8.2 from page number 37 to 42 is excluded for the examination. Next is heredity and evolution. This chapter is completely retained. No concepts are deleted from this lesson. You have to read all the lesson. The 10th chapter is light reflection and refraction. Here the 10.1 reflection of light, 10.2 spherical mirrors, and from page number 70 to 80 is excluded for examination. So you have to read the concepts, but from page number 70 to 80, the questions will not come for examination. 11th, the human eye and the colorful world. This chapter is completely skipped, so the chapter is excluded for examination. The chapter human eye and the colorful world is completely skipped. Electricity lesson, that is completely retained, means you will get the questions from this lesson. You have to read all the lesson. Next comes the magnetic effects of electric current. This chapter is also completely retained. No concepts are deleted from this lesson. You have to read all the things. Next one is the sources of energy. 14.2.1 fossil fuels, 14.3 alternative or non-conventional sources of energy, that is page number 111 to 112, and 115 to 119 is excluded for examination. Here take care that the page number 111 to 112 is deleted, and you have that middle part 113 and 114 for your examination. Again 115 to 119 is excluded for examination. Next is our environment. The concept 15.1 ecosystem, what are its components. 15.1.1, that is food chains and webs. The page number 136 to 138 is excluded for examination. Our environment, you will be reading ecosystem, what are its components, food chains and webs. You should not consider for the examination. The page number 136 to 138 is excluded for examination. Next comes sustainable management of natural resources. 16.4 coal and petroleum. 16.5 an overview of natural resource management. From page number 135 to 137 is excluded for examination. So here only 135 to 137 page is excluded for examination. So here is the information related to the syllabus of science for only for 2021 annual examination. So go through this video and clearly get to know about the reduced syllabus and start preparing for your board exams. Thank you.